What's up mga kalagaray? Welcome back to our channel.
Good day mga kalagaray! New day, new build. And for today's video, very special tong build na to kasi another one for Visayas. So this build is bound for Cebu. And then before we start off, we would like to thank our sponsor, Macho Mucho. Check them out guys for your haircut needs, especially sa mga classic bikers. They give and provide very good service and haircuts for us gentlemen. And promote din natin ulit yung riding jersey natin version I think 4. Yes, version 4. So PM lang kayo sa page if you want to order. So this is a collaboration between Imprint Customs and Lagarahe Motorcycles. So ayan, it's a very comfortable jersey and rest assured and guaranteed yung quality niya. Alright, it comes with free stickers also. So PM lang kayo sa page natin mga kalagaray. Now, let's get right into the build. So, for this build mga kalagaray, kami na po nag-provide ng base bike for our client. Since he's not here from CDO, but he's from Cebu. So, we talked over the phone, and nagpabook siya sa atin online. And then, nag-video call kami ni sir. And then, since wala pa din siya dito sa US nung time na pagpabook niya, nasa Australia pa, I think siya. And then, gusto niya pag-uwi niya dito, makuha na niya yung pinagawa niya. So, for this build, we use a Honda TMX 150 Supremo. So, inspired to sa mga previous bobber builds natin. But this one is special kasi hindi common yung color na ginamit natin. Alright? And then, ang kagandahan lang nito mga kalagaray is, sabi lang ni sir sa akin na, Sir, I trust your art, I trust your skills, so ikaw na bahala basta gusto ko bobber build. In this episode, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga ginawa natin and i-explain ko sa inyo yung mga ginawa natin na fabrications dito sa build na to. So, before that, papakita namin in a while yung whole look ng bike. Ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung detachable na seat niya. So, it goes right in here. So, ganyan siya. Alright? So, it's a detachable. So, if he wants to go solo or he wants to go road tripping with his wife, pwedeng-pwede. So, ayun. Let's go. Papakita na namin sa inyo yung whole look ng build na to. So, that is the build mga kalagarahe. So, it's a bobber concept by us. So, para siyang Triumph tignan. Yung version 3, I guess, version 4 na bobber. Or I think bobber concept natin. In-improve pa natin and may mga binago tayo. So, ayan. Let's get right to it. So, start tayo sa itaas. We installed a digital speedometer over here. Mid-rise handlebar, brown grips, and yung favorite natin na bar and side mirror. Ayan, yung favorite natin. It's a mini side mirror. And then sa headlight, we installed LED round ring light. So that's how it looks. And then sa signal light, we installed bullet, mini bullet signal light. And then sa fork, we installed a wider triple tree and triple clamp para mag-accommodate yung big tires niya. Yan. Yung fork boots niya, stock pa din mga kalagaray kasi yan yung bagong fork boots ng Supremo ngayon. And then yung fender, custom handmade as always, aluminum fender. Then converted to disc brake na sa harapan. Ayan. Dito sa tank, we used a universal gas tank with custom paint job of course. And then sa seat, hand-shaped seat. Ayan. Sa side cover mga kalagarahe, this is made of aluminum. And naka bead roll na yung detail niya dito. And then also this one. So naka bead roll siya. And then logo natin and then top coat. Yan. Naka bead roll siya para mas ma-emphasize yung detail. Yan. So it's made of aluminum. Then sa swing arm, extended po yan na stock na TMX 150 and then custom fender sa likuran. Bullet pipe na version 2 ang ginamit natin sa pipe and then heat wrap yung elbow niya para mag-complement sa seat na brown. Alright, and then we used bobber shocks. So this is intended for bobber builds. So medyo matigas siya na shock and hindi maalog. I mean, hindi, ang tawag dun? Hindi siya mauntog. Ayan. And then for the rims and tires, we used 16-inch rims and tires. Ayan. And then for the taillight, there you go. And then may request din si Sir additional na tire hugger para hindi talaga matalsik. So it's a detachable one. We don't need to show you that. So it's an add-on accessory. So ayun mga kalagaray. And then yung engine pala niya all stock. But yung carburetor niya sa loob is racing carb na Navy. And then we powder coated the head part para ma-black din siya. So yeah, that's basically it. So this is our special bobber concept build. So I think this is the second concept bobber build that we built. Parang Triumph, no? So, ayun mga kalagaray. Walk through lang tayo. Sound check. Let's do a sound check. So, ang susian pala mga kalagaray, as always, nasa giliran. Switch natin. Yun. That's how it sounds and that's how it looks. So we're doing bobbers Talagaray way. So this is our take for bobber builds. So it's sort of like a very classic looking bobber build, but at the same time with a touch of modern, of course. Mga Kalagaray, I hope you like another one of our builds. So this is a bobber build by yours truly. So thank you very much for always watching our vlogs. So I hope you like our build mga Kalagaray for this year 2025. So this is the first of many again sa concept builds natin na bobber. So ayun. Take a last look and let's go for the montage. Let's go, baby.